this lesson, we are going to talk about the content and why we need that before we even start our design. Now, you might have heard the very famous quote that content is the king. So it is the king even in the design because there are a lot of things that depends on it. Okay, so keep in mind that content is very important. Now, why the content is very important even in design? Because it is going to shape your design. Your whole layout of your design is going to depend on it. It is going to shape the design theme. For example, if your text copy is very romantic or something like that, your design is going to show that. Similarly, if your copy text is showing that your design is very modern and your images you got from your client that are very modern look, they have very sleek and slim look, then your design is going to change. So keep that in mind that content is going to change the shape of your design. It is going to change the theme of your design. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. Now, in the last lesson, I have talked about how to overcome your fear of blank canvas. So if you are afraid of blank canvas, the first tip is that never start without content. So if you are designing for a website, mobile app, or any landing page, never ever start without the content. Now, the content is going to include the copy text, images you are going to use in your design, any icons, or any illustrations. So before you start your design, ask your client that please provide me the copy text and all the images you want me to use in that design. So this is going to help you a lot. Never start without any content. Even your whole layout of your design, most of the designers I have seen that they base their grids and columns and whole layout based on the content. So this is very essential tip. I hope you have loved it, and see you soon in the next lesson.